As the sun sinks behind the trees, a hidden world begins to stir. In the shadows of the night, nature's most misunderstood creatures take flight: the bats. With over 1,400 species worldwide, bats are the second largest order of mammals, and perhaps the most mysterious. Some bats, like the fruit bat, also called the flying fox, rely on fruits and nectar. Their wingspan can stretch over 5 feet, and they play a crucial role in pollination. Just like bees, bats help pollinate plants. In fact, more than 300 species of fruit depend on bats for survival, including bananas, mangoes, and even tequila's agave. Other bats, like microbats, use echolocation, a biological sonar, to hunt insects mid-air with surgical precision. They emit high-frequency sounds that bounce off objects, allowing them to navigate complete darkness with stunning accuracy. Then there's the infamous vampire bat. Yes, it drinks blood, but from sleeping animals like cattle, and it does so without waking them. Scientists study bats not just for curiosity, but because they are essential to ecosystems and can also help us understand zoonotic diseases. Yet despite their importance, many bat populations are in decline due to habitat loss, disease, and fear. Conservation efforts are more vital than ever. So the next time you see a shadow flutter by in the night, remember, bats are not creatures to fear, but to marvel at. They are guardians of the night, and they deserve our protection.